And this is the easy, quick, simple saus kacang mete. Eat it. For someone who like to go to the gym.
It's really good with the pickle flavor.
You see the color a little bit, burn.
Yeah, this is like 100 times better.
Chop, blend, done. No cooking. In Indonesia, we use a lot of peanuts, but most of people here are allergic to peanuts, right? So today, instead of using ground peanuts, we're gonna use cashew nut. Okay, let's start. First, we need to saute, because this is raw, we need to saute the cashew. This candle nut, you have to cook before you eat, because you can get food poisoning. Just saute it like that. Or you can saute when it's turned brown or burn a little bit. That's enough. Here. Do you know how do you call this in Indonesia? We call this Jambu monyet. How I translate in English, it's monkey guava. Back then in Indonesia, I don't like this because they have a lot of sap. When we are kids, we just eat it, and the sap is very, very harsh because sometimes it will burn your lips.
Rash.
Yeah, rash. Burning. You see the color a little bit, burn. Yeah. This one here, put all of them here, and just grind it. I think blender is better, but I want to show you how to do it in Indonesia. Just put water a little bit. Okay, next time I'm gonna use blender. It's hard. Like 2 cloves of garlic, a lemon zest. I'm gonna do like 1, 2, 3. It's very important thing. It's pepper lime leaf. Put water a bit more. It's gula merah or gula Jawa. This is very important because you want to have that acidity, nutty, sweetness, combine all of that stuff.
Coconut sugar?
Yeah, coconut sugar. We call it gula Jawa. Yeah. Eat it. Oh my gosh, next time guys, just use blender in your house, okay? Don't do it with pesto. Take some time. But the taste is better if you use pesto. My gosh, for someone who like to go to the gym, this is the best thing for you to do. Just a little bit more water, okay? Yeah, water. I'm gonna put 1 more sugar, coconut sugar. You need to taste this. Guys, come here and taste it. If you wanna grind more, you can always make it more. But I want to still have that crunchy when you bite the peanuts. I guarantee the taste is better if you use the pesto or Mortal Kombat. I always say it is a Mortal Kombat.
Yeah, there's a lot of texture on it.
Yeah.
It's very chunky.
And very nutty.
It's like a very, oh wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
I was gonna compare
very
it.
good.
I was gonna compare it to peanut butter, but no.
No, it's not peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
This is like
the savory side of peanut butter.
yeah, this is like 100 times better, like 1,000,000 times better.
Pickled cucumbers and pickled cabbage. Okay, let's put it here. Pickled cucumber there. And then this is your pickled cabbage here. Woo. Mix everything and eat it.
It's really good. Pickles.
It's so good.
It's really good with the pickle flavor.